This is my first lesson of ping pong games with Python. Let me try to practice explaining how my first Python ping pong games work. I hope, as I am no English speaker, the listeners will understand what I am telling from now on and do not mind. And also, our apartment is now under construction, so sometimes you can hear the noises, but I hope you don't mind. So this is a kind of personal and for me to practice for speaking English. Let's begin with the show. First of all, this is a Python program which was made by me, but it's not originally made by me. So I made it by reading a book. So what I'll show you what the ping pong game is like first of all. So click here. So this is a ping pong ball game. It's a very retro, simple game. You just ping pong the balls, and with the keyboard L and K, you can control these paddles. And okay, I hope you can now understand what the game is like. I'll hide this display. So I'm going to explain from the line 1 to 10 for today. And so, okay, the first line of the code, as you can see, saying import turtle from this. What it means, from what I understand, is that it uses the functions from the library named turtle. Some of the books says turtle module. So turtle module is the right way to saying that in I think in the programming world. So by using this module, the rest of the codes can be applied from the library. It means you can use tools from the drawer, like picking up some tool from the drawer. So this is a turtle uh, chest. Okay, now the next line 4, no, line 4, yes. The line 3 is a comment. So when you want to input some comments in Python, you put the sharp mark at the front, then the computer doesn't read these codes for other um, code. So they are not going to execute things on the after the sharp. So let's move on to the line 4. This is the explaining that it will be really tedious for people to write turtle every time we use turtle module. So it shortened the turtle into T. So in a book saying that assigning turtle into T, now that you can understand that every time you see T, it means the turtle dot sum 2. That is what I understand this. So turtle means going to become T. So every time you use turtle, you can be um, like you can translate it into T. You don't have to type every time turtle. Okay, now for the line 5, it is the same way of understanding. There is a tool named screen parenthesis in the turtle module. So SR is applied with turtle's tool named screen. In the parentheses, the reason why they are empty is so far I do not know, but I think when you want to open a screen, you need it to be empty. I think if I am wrong, please feel free to advise me that then I can learn. And one more thing is that screen exists in the TurtlePython file and it is a function. In Python, this is a turtle module. This is a file function. So in Python, when you make a function, it starts from def, D-E-F. So whenever you see def at the beginning of the line in Python, it makes function. So people are going to make a function from this by using def. Function is like a pattern of behavior, like brushing teeth function includes grabbing a toothbrush, pasting toothpaste, brushing teeth, and rinsing mouth. So these all behaviors are in the brushing teeth function in an easy way of understanding it, at least for me. Okay, move on to line 6. It means using a tool named title in the screen function, which is also in the turtle module, to draw a title at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen, ping pong game still working. Okay, I'll hide it. And then in the parentheses, we can write strings between single quotation mark. These are strings. Strings are the words written in a program. Usually they are written between either single or double quotation marks. So in this case, I used a single quotation mark. So you need a single quotation mark at the beginning and the end. So if you use double quotation mark at the beginning, you need a double quotation mark at the end. So that makes strings. Let's move on to line 7. As you can see, the beginning with T means turtle. T means turtle here. The turtle, so in the turtle module, there is a function named color mode. Color mode. What it does is, from my understanding, that allows us to use amount of colors with a number in parentheses. So in this case, we have choices to use 255 numbers of colors, which is maximum value in RGB value. On the screen, that is my understanding. So RGB, I'll explain it later in the line 8. So line 8 explains that in the screen function, there is a function named BG color, abbreviation of background color. So you can set background color with this function. In the parentheses, you can see the number is saying 50, 100 to 150. They mean red, green, and blue values from the start. So 50 values for the red and 100 value for G green, 50 values for blue are given to make a background color. So it makes like this greenish color towards the color to the screen. So now let's move on to line 9. This is a setting the window size by using a function named setup. Setup function in the screen function in the turtle module. So in the parentheses, set the parameters of width. Width is like the horizontal value, how do you say it? The length of the horizontal sides, this sides, the longer one. So height is a shorter, this uh, vertical length of this. Okay, in this case. So I gave the width 1440, and for height for like 900. At last, for today, actually, I do not understand this, but in the book saying it is a speed of a window. But from my experiment, the higher the number, the faster the parts are prepared on the screen when it comes up. That is my understanding for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.